Sit. Heel. We're going to start conditioning in whistle commands with Micah, and we're using a Fox 40 whistle, and we're going to do the commands here and sit. And this is very helpful if you have a dog and you take the dog out in the woods or whatever, and you're out of earshot, it might not hear your voice, but it's going to hear the whistle. It's very easy to do this in a session or two. You say the word sit and then blow the whistle. And after you do this a series of times and the dog is functioning, stop saying sit and just blow the whistle. If the dog is non-compliant, say no and blow the whistle again, just like you would be saying sit. Sit. Heel. Sit. Sit. Heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Now that was sit. Now you can do it with here too, and it's done the same way. Call the dog to you saying here and blow the whistle. Toot, toot, toot. No, sit. Here. Sit. No. Sit. Sit. This is a very important thing for any retrieving dog to do. If the dog starts going in the wrong direction, you have to be able to communicate to the dog to stop and sit. With my GSP, he's trained when he hears the whistle to go into whoa. It's the same thing.